second quarter. Intertown Basketball Girls, Calbayog City versus LNU Tacloban City for the Fiesta of Barangay Santo Niño Kinapundan, Eastern Samar. Bola ng LNU Tacloban, number 21. Umangat ng 3. Airball. Bola ng Calbayog. Second quarter, nice crossover. Mabanat na naman ng 3, number 4.
Number 51.
Sipa.
But cross by just number 21. Number 24. Is passing the defense ng LNU. Nakakakuha ng foul.
Foul number 15.
Number 4.
Nice pass.
Number 16. Kurang seper. Pasok.
Tira si Buddy, number 16 of Calbayog City. Score 18-11. All alone. Nice.
Another bucket by jersey number 4.
Number 4. Sa kanya score lahat. Number 7, Falcons, LNU Tacloban City.
Number 7 to number 21. Number 21. Nakakakuha ng foul.
Substitution. Unang tira, wala. Pangalawang tira, basket, number 21. Three points. Bang!
3 points. Jersey number 15.
Number 15.
5 minutos, 40 segundos. Number 7 basketball, pass number 15. Is setting the defense, pass number 21.
Foul,
Nakakakuha
number
ng foul.
24.
Anang tira, basket.
Second throw is good by number 21 of LNU Tacloban.
Number 2, right over 3, Miller. Number 16. Number 16. Omat ang 3, Miller. Rebound number 16 of Calbayog. Number 10. Pass number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 28, Miller. Power rebound. Number 16. Number 15. Number 19. Special 2 points. 4 minutos, 40. Number 2. 50 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5.
Biling.
Substitution, LNU Tacloban. Number 21, nakakuha ng foul.
Foul 16.
Jersey number 16, Santera. Jersey number 21, Tingoy. Basket. Pangalawang tira, basket na rin. 4 minutes and 5 remain back for the second quarter. 50 seconds to shoot. Number 2, alone, Miller. Agad rebound, number 15. Number 16. Jumper number 10, pass number 21, 15 seconds to shoot. Another turnover for LMU Tacloban. Yo, pass number 2, aray ko po.
Dapa.
3 minutos 28. Number 16 na mga Negera. Rebound number 15, wala pa rin. Number 15, wala pa rin.
Ay, foul.
There's a foul.
Three points. Bang!
Table timeout muna tayo.
Alas 12.
Ang sekundos.
Back to the ball game.
Number 4 to number 28. What a nice play by Carl Bayog. Official running score, 25-22. 3-point lead by Carl Bayog. Number 16, nilabas kay number 12. Neger. Number 24. Nagpapagal, nagawan pa si number 15. Number 15, nilingon pa. Ayun lang. Ayun lang.
Foul.
Naipal pa.
Tumanot.
Para minutos, 50. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 10. Puts up number 14. Out of rebound. Nakanagalan nyo. Ano nila ba? 35. Number 12 pa yan. Over tayo sa number 12. Basket. Ayos number 12. Ginamit ang katawan ni number 12. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 4. Oh, matakas si number 4. Neger. Rebound number 26. 1 minute and 5. Number 1. Warriors pass. Sayang yun. Seconds to play for second quarter. 50. 15 seconds to shoot. There's the block by jersey number 1. May tatlong block na si jersey number 1. Running violation to number ball. 30 shoot. 30. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 26. Neger. Number 4. To number 10. Murray pa. Pasok. Shot lang isa. 15. Another turnover. 10. Oh, mga 3. Neger. 5.
Bang! 3 points.
Defense. Jersey number 4.
That's the end of
Iba
second
na ang may
quarter.
kamay. At may
Score
bitaw.
24-27 in favor of Calbayog City. That's the end of second quarter.